Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024. Happy New Year. And we are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. What we can see here is another swing high, yearly high of the Bitcoin market. 45,880 is the last recorded high on the Zondacrypto Bitcoin to Tether, but the day has not been completed just yet, and it looks like the market might be going even higher. Let's find out then, maybe first, where is the next target for this market. It looks like if we zoom out, we can clearly indicate the next target for the Bitcoin, which is located at the highs of the March 2022 at the level of 48,000 tethers. So that's the next target, and this target was marked as the thick red line because it's of course the technical resistance, and the last swing high now will be marked as the technical support, 44,749. So this is the situation here. Let's go back to the more recent data. Daily time frame chart is showing us that the market wants to go way higher. We will zoom in, we will make it bigger so everyone can see that we got a very valid breakout from this, let's say, a kind of a triangle pattern that was made here. If we apply our triangle pattern just for the education purposes only, we can see that this was the high, that was wave A, that was for example the wave B, wave C, wave D, and the wave E, and since then we got the movement to the upside. This triangle looks a little bit skewed. It doesn't eventually looks like the one in the textbook. Okay, so it's definitely not the textbook example. It's a little bit unusual, mostly because it was made during the very different time of the year, the end of the year, the Christmas period. Liquidity was low, and so on and so on. So that's not your typical textbook example of the triangle. Nevertheless, it still works. This is something we were expecting since the top of the wave 3 was made. So this triangle would be labeled as the wave 4, and now we are gaining momentum on wave 5, the last wave in the intermediate cycle. We know it because when we apply, for example, the RSI indicator on the daily time frame chart, we can clearly see that the market is making the new highs. Nevertheless, the RSI is not making new highs. So there is a difference between the price action and the momentum indicator. This difference is known as the divergence. Let me just grab some kind of arrow so I can show you. Market is making new highs, which is nothing wrong with this, right? But these highs are being made on the lower momentum. So you can clearly see that the momentum is decreasing, right? Which means that we have the bearish divergence. Then that confirms our scenario that this movement to the upside is the last immediate wave up, or intermediate in our Elliott wave the theory scenario, and we should expect some sort of the pullback or even a correction soon. So please make this let's say scenario variation very seriously, because this movement to the upside might not last that long as we wanted. Of course, the 48,000 tethers as a price target is still very possible to be hit. There is nothing wrong with this. Nevertheless, we should expect some sort of the bigger pullback, bigger correction once we get the indication from the market that the uptrend is done. For now, everything looks good. In the short term, everything looks fine. Bulls are in charge of the market. New target is on the market, on the chart as well, 48,000 tethers. But the correction is looming just behind the current market behavior. So, thank you very much for watching this analysis. I hope I will see you guys next time. Take care, and I would like to wish you a lot of profitable trades in new 2024. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. Take care and bye bye.